Several years ago, our team was part of DARPA's ex-VTOL competition. We were after setting world records with aircraft that can hover better than helicopters and fly faster than missiles. This was our goal. This was DARPA's goal. We entered the competition with a family of designs that we knew would beat anything else that's out there. When we were debriefed by DARPA program managers, they looked at our designs and they declared that the designs would be too risky for DARPA and would never fly. That was the gauntlet that was thrown down before us. We knew we had a challenge on our hands, and we knew we could make the aircraft that would meet and surpass all of their mission specs. That aircraft is the Quad Rocket family of aircraft. The Quad Rocket family of aircraft was built on not these kinds of designs. These are old configurations that are more than 100 years old. 4 propellers, different kinds of controllers in the middle. These are all over the marketplace right now. Sure, some designs are cleaned up a little bit. They've got better fairings. They look a little better, but they're otherwise aerodynamically very dirty. This is not what an aerospace engineer would design. Aerospace engineers would combine the best of all worlds. Aerospace engineers would make these things go significantly faster, be more maneuverable, and more competent in flight than anything else. They would involve the best attributes of a rocket and a quadcopter. That's the genesis of the Quad Rocket itself. It's a quad rocket. It embodies both. It is the world's only quadcopter that is a rocket, and a rocket that can maneuver like a quadcopter. It's the only one that is currently out there today. If you take a look at the smallest variants of these kinds of aircraft, this is what you come up with. Sure, it's got features of both. It's very, very low drag. It's sleek. It has the lowest drag coefficient of any quadcopter out there. And that's because it's shaped in essence like a bullet. It is designed to go very, very fast. And indeed, this little aircraft right here, the Sparrow, we believe has set unofficial world records at 133 miles an hour. You too can get your own quad rocket itself. This one, while small and does go very, very fast, is essentially just a trainer. The trainer for a family of aircraft that's much, much more capable and designed specifically to be very maneuverable, to be able to handle the high G turns without losing speed, to be able to pour on the throttle and beat anything that's out there. This is the design of the more advanced quad rocket itself. So this aircraft, of course, has 4 rotors. It also has the capability of accommodating a rocket. It can take pretty much any board that you can fit inside of here. It flies in helicopter mode and it flies in missile mode itself, and it transitions between the two. It relies on the lift from the rotors to size the wings in a very compact space. And that compact size in the wings reduces the wetted area, which reduces the drag. And the drag in and of itself is lower than anything else that's on the open market, which allows it to go significantly faster. You too can have one of these. We have done the engineering. We've done the flight testing. We have proven this category of aircraft. Now we need some help to take it into production.